Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Pu Erh is probably one of the most intriguing teas you'll ever encounter. Originating from the Yunnan province of China, this fermented tea boasts a rich history and a unique flavor profile that has captivated tea lovers for centuries. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Pu Erh, exploring its origins, the different types, and what makes it so special. Number 5. Numi Emperor's Pu Erh Tea, 16 tea bags. This is an aged, full caffeine black Pu Erh tea. It has a deep, bold body that is smooth and earthy with hints of malt. It's a satisfying alternative to coffee. This tea is richer than black tea and wonderfully smooth and malty. It provides a natural boost of sustained energy, delivering focus and clarity. You can try the chocolate Pu Erh or Emperor's Pu Erh. Numi's organic full-leaf quality teas come in convenient tea bags. These individually wrapped tea bags ensure the tea is fresh every time. It's perfect for brewing. Numi offers a variety of styles, flavors, and brewing methods. From tea bags and loose-leaf teas to flowering teas, iced teas, and bottled teas, there's something for everyone. The teas and tisanes are blended with only 100% real fruits, flowers, and spices. You can try black, green, white, Pu Erh, rooibos, herbal, and turmeric teas. What we like? This tea comes in convenient tea bags, making brewing a breeze. It offers a rich, malty flavor that's both satisfying and energizing. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to enjoy a premium Pu Erh experience, this is the one for you. What people say. This one tastes like a horse barn smells, but in a good way, since I love the smell of horses. Very earthy. Was able to get 3 decent cups from one tea bag, and I do think I would buy it again, but it's not at the top of my short list. Number 4. Numi Emperor's Pu Erh Loose Leaf Tea. This is a deep, bold tea with a smooth, earthy flavor and a hint of malt. It's a richly flavored, energizing tea that's a great alternative to coffee. You will love it. This tea is richer than black tea, with a wonderfully smooth and malty taste. It provides a natural boost of sustained energy, helping you focus and stay clear-headed. Give it a try. Numi's organic full-leaf teas come in convenient, resealable pouches. This keeps the tea fresh for every steep. It's perfect for use in tea infusers, French presses, or tea balls. Numi offers a variety of styles, flavors, and brewing methods. From tea bags to loose-leaf teas, you can find the perfect cup. You can also try flowering teas, iced teas, and bottled teas. This tea is blended with only 100% real fruits, flowers, and spices. Try the black, green, white, Pu Erh, rooibos, herbal, and turmeric teas. You will love the taste. What we like? This loose-leaf tea comes in a resealable pouch, ensuring freshness for every steep. It provides a natural boost of sustained energy and focus. If you enjoy the ritual of loose-leaf tea and value a long-lasting energy lift, you'll love it. What people say. There are no natural or artificial flavorings, a rarity that is tough to find combined with the flavor. The quality of the tea is stellar, where you can see and understand each ingredient. This tea has a low oxidation and low medium roast. The thing about roasting is that the tea continues to change for about a year. Number 3. Valley of Tea 9-year aged Pu Erh tea. This Pu Erh tea has been aged for 9 years, developing a remarkable flavor. It brews a deep red infusion with a hearty sweet aroma. The aroma gives way to a full-bodied tea with complex floral notes and a lingering hint of honeysuckle. You'll savor every sip. Pu Erh is valued for its beneficial properties. A cup a day could leave you feeling like a new person. Once you have tasted it, you'll make it your breakfast drink of choice. Its rich flavor develops and sweetens over multiple steeps. This tea contains only carefully selected tea leaves, with no added flavors or colors. It's just great tasting, traditional tea leaves. What we like? This Pu Erh has been aged for 9 years, developing a truly remarkable flavor. It offers complex floral notes and a lingering hint of honeysuckle. If you appreciate a tea with a rich history and a complex flavor profile, you should consider this. What people say. Great tea leaves. Great for my digestive system. Totally pleased with the tea and prompt shipping. Exactly what I expected. Number 2. Jinglong Tea Factory Puerh Tea 179. This is Jinglong Tea Factory's Puerh Tea 179. It's made with natural whole leaves from Yunnan, China. The tea is aged and pressed into a beautiful cake shape. The tea is grown and processed without any artificial additives. You can enjoy it with peace of mind, knowing it's a pure and natural product. This puerh tea is kind to your stomach, so you can drink it anytime, whether you've eaten or not. It's a versatile and enjoyable tea. The tea cake is beautifully packaged in a luxury box with a traditional Chinese calligraphy print. It also comes with a handmade paper bag, making it a perfect gift. With 150 cups per cake, it offers excellent value at just 16 cents per cup. It's an affordable way to enjoy premium puerh tea. The tea is processed in Manghai, where the climate and microflora contribute to its unique taste. The fermentation process is carefully managed to create a distinctive flavor. What we like. This tea is made from natural whole leaves and aged for a year before pressing. It comes in artful packaging, making it a great gift. If you are looking for a unique tea experience with a beautiful presentation, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The bouquet of the finished tea is strong and soft at the same time, pleasantly plumy with spices. It comes nicely packaged if you are looking to make it a gift. Love it, deep flavor, never goes bitter like other tea types even after topping up my mug a few times with hot water. Number 1. Prince of Peace Premium Pu Erh Tea. Introducing Prince of Peace Premium Pu Erh Tea. It's one of the most popular tea varieties because of its unique flavor and aroma. You'll love the rich taste. This tea is made with fine quality black tea leaves. They are harvested in the Yunnan province of China. The tea undergoes a full fermentation process to bring out its best qualities. Pu Erh tea is a black tea, which means it's a great source of antioxidants. These polyphenol have powerful antioxidant properties, which are great for your health. Unlike coffee, this tea has less caffeine. It only has about 5 to 15 milligrams of caffeine per cup, compared to coffee's 100 to 180 milligrams. It's a great alternative for a relaxing drink. Brewing is easy. Just place 1 tea bag in a 6 fluid ounces cup. Add boiling water and let it steep for 3 to 5 minutes before drinking. Enjoy your delicious cup of tea. What we like. This is one of the most popular tea varieties, made with hand-harvested leaves. It's also a great source of antioxidants. If you are looking for a well-known tea with health benefits, you should choose this. What people say. Smooth taste, never gets bitter or develops tannic acid astringency. Being in individual tea bags make it much more convenient than the loose leaf for me. I think I have found the best way to brew it with a bit of experimentation to get the best flavor profile. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.